Well, we got some more stuff done. Go over here, take a look. We're packing everything up, about to go to the other house. Do the turbo elbow. It's all nice. It's all nice and ported. Can't really see anything, but you know what? It's fantastic. And I'll pour it in there. That looks good in there. This thing's gonna flow. It's gonna flow a lot. Where's the turbo at? We had to cut out right there. The studs were stuck in there, so we cut them out. We just re-drilled and re-tapped it, welded the pieces back on. Came out pretty good looking though, I think. Alright, I guess that's everything till the turbo elbow and everything at the other house. Alright.